Good morning students. In the previous video we have discussed family of quadrilateral and flowchart of a quadrilateral in which concave quadrilateral, convex quadrilateral, trapezium, isosceles trapezium, parallelogram, kite, part of the parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus and square. And in the previous video we had already discussed definition of concave quadrilateral, convex quadrilateral, kite, property of kite, isosceles trapezium, parallelogram, property of parallelogram. Now we have discussed next step of family of quadrilateral in which we study part of a parallelogram, which is very important. So in the first we discuss about rectangle. Rectangle is very familiar. Rectangle, a parallelogram, because is a part of parallelogram, so we can say that a parallelogram in which one angle is 90 degree. If in a parallelogram one angle is 90 degree, then if in a parallelogram one angle is 90 degree, then this angle also 90 degree, because in a parallelogram opposite angles are equal, and some of these two angles is 180 degree, so this angle also 90 degree. So if one angle is 90 degree, then each angle convert into 90 degree. So according to a definition, a parallelogram in which one angle is 90 degree is called a rectangle. It is a figure of a rectangle. Properties of a rectangle. It contains all properties of parallelogram. Opposite sides equal, opposite sides parallel, diagonals bisect each other, opposite angles equal, adjacent angles are supplementary. All properties of parallelogram it contain, and two special properties. Each angle is 90 degree. Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. Each angle is 90 degree and diagonals are equal. These are two properties different from parallelogram. AC is equal to BD. Next, rhombus. Rhombus is also a part of parallelogram. So a parallelogram in which one pair of adjacent sides are equal, because in a parallelogram we know that opposite sides are equal. If in a parallelogram a pair of adjacent sides are equal, it means both are equal, then this also equal, this also equal, it means all sides are equal. So a parallelogram in which one pair of adjacent sides are equal, it is called rhombus. Property of rhombus, because it is a part of parallelogram, so it contains all properties of parallelogram. Second, all sides are equal, AB, BC, CD, DA, all sides are equal and diagonals bisect each other. It's a very important property of rhombus. Diagonals bisect each other, it means angle P equal to 90 degree. I hope you understand. Note down it. Okay students, now we discuss last member of the family of quadrilateral, which is part of rectangle and rhombus both. Its name is square. It is also very familiar. The definition of square may be based on the rectangle and may be based on the rhombus. If we define a square as a rectangle, so a rectangle in which one pair of adjacent sides are equal. If in a rectangle one pair of adjacent sides are equal, then all sides are equal, then it is converted into a square. If we define a square based on a rhombus, so a rhombus in which one angle is 90 degree. In a rhombus all sides are equal, but if adjacent and if one angle is 90 degree, then this angle also 90 degree, this angle 90 degree, this 90, then it is converted into a square. So we define a square based on the rectangle and based on a rhombus. It is a figure of a square. And now properties of a square, because it is a part of a rectangle and rhombus, so it contains all properties of rectangle and rhombus, and its special property does not contain any special property, so we can say that all properties of rectangle and rhombus contain it. Thank you. In the next video we start exercise. Okay, thank you.